Welcome to the Woodlands, Texas. I'm Ashley Gibson, your friendly realtor with eXp Realty, and I'm here to show you this 764 square foot, one bedroom, one bath apartment situated just 30 miles from Houston downtown center. This amazing kitchen starts off with 42-inch wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances with that beautiful backsplash and quartz countertops. Wow, you even get a gas range stove. It's simply amazing. There's a C-shaped kitchen, so you don't miss out when you're entertaining and you can watch TV while preparing your meals. A full-size, stackable, energy-efficient washer and dryer is included in this amazing apartment. And wow, the mud bench, it's perfect for those rainy days where you can store your raincoats and boots. The living room is open and inviting. It's got plenty of wall space. Finally, you have a place to hang that artwork you found in the art gallery. Or maybe you're a sports fan and you need a huge screen TV to hang on the wall. You've got plenty of space for that. The bedroom is so inviting with that huge window to invite all that natural light, and it fits a king-size bed. The bathroom, it's got all of your needs with a huge soaking tub and a walk-in closet, perfect for organizing your wardrobe. There's even a bar that you can situate 2 to 3 bar stools and eat along there. This community offers amazing amenities with its huge resort-style pool, perfect for dips and swims in the summertime, which is almost every day in Houston. There's also a 24-hour fitness center that you have access to some of the state-of-the-art fitness center equipment, whether you're into cardio or weights. They even have a yoga studio, perfect for all of those stretching needs. You'll also find at this community, there's a game room. So whether you want to invite a few friends or neighbors for a friendly game of Monopoly, you have it here. This is the networking station, which is also like a business center. For those of you who find yourself working from home now more often, it's perfect. Or maybe you're a student, you need access to internet, they have it here. Maybe you need a neighbor or two. What I love the most is this club room. It's perfect for those who love to entertain and need a little more space for the larger parties. Check out this huge sofa. It's perfect for entertaining. You can have your birthdays, holiday events, baby showers, all of that. Even the office hosts resident events. Talk about the office. The office team is attentive. Their smiling faces are so inviting, and they will help you with whether you need a work order or just need some help with your apartment community. And there's even a beverage station where they offer coffee and water. This community is like no other. If you're looking for a home just like this one, feel free to give me a call at 713-338-1308. I'm Ashley Gibson, and I would love to find your perfect home here in Houston.